In India, over 56,500 positive COVID 19 cases, nearly 17,000 recovery cases, and 2,000 deaths have been recorded. Almost 40 lakh cases, over 13.5 lakh recoveries, and 2.7 lakh deaths have been recorded globally. UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres called for an all-out effort to end the hate and xenophobia sparked by COVID-19 pandemic. The UN called on governments, companies, and billionaires to contribute to a $6.7 billion fund for the vulnerable countries with immediate needs in fighting the pandemic. US President Donald Trump said he would undergo tests every day after his military aide tested positive for COVID-19. Australia came up with a 3-stage plan to get the economy back to the new COVID-safe normal by the end of July. The Council for Scientific and Industrial Research got approval from Drug Controller General of India for clinical trials of drugs to combat coronavirus. The rating agency Moody's has said that the impact of coronavirus outbreak will worsen the material slowdown in India's economic growth, with the country expected to see 0% expansion in the current fiscal year. The agency further said that it expected India to see no growth in financial year 2021 and bounce back to a 6.6 GDP growth in fiscal year 2022. The Supreme Court has asked states to consider home delivery of liquor during lockdown as social distancing norms are being flouted. The HRD Ministry has announced that the CBSE will conduct the pending Class 10th and 12th board exams from July 1st to July 15th. In Madhya Pradesh, the government has diluted labour laws, allowing the factories to run 12-hour working day shifts by paying 4 extra hours to the workers. New units can now be registered in a day instead of 30 days, and shops can now operate from 6 am till midnight. Kerala government has set up a quarantine center in Guruvayur of Thrissur district for people being brought from different countries. In the press briefing today, the Health Ministry representative Love Agarwal said that the recovery rate, which is at 29.3%, is increasing as almost 1 in 3 hospitalized people have recovered. COVID fact of the day: the COVID-19 virus was not stolen out of a Canadian lab by Chinese spies. PolitiFact, FactCheck.org and Canadian Broadcasting Group all concluded that there is no evidence that COVID-19 virus was stolen by Chinese spies from a Canadian lab.